Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could rename a USB flash drive or even an SD card in your computer. First of all, make sure to plug your USB flash drive or your SD card. Open the PC shortcut or this PC in your computer. Go to the concerned USB flash drive or the SD card and click with the right button of the mouse. Scroll down or go to Properties. This works for people who has Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and Windows 11 is the same way. Here under General, next to this little hard disk, you will click in this empty space and name your USB drive. We're going to name it Library 1. Once done, click Apply and click OK. And as you can see, the name has been changed accordingly. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.